In this video, I will show you how to turn any image into Ghibli style using ChatGPT. First, go to the ChatGPT website or open the ChatGPT app on your phone. The steps are the same no matter what device you're using. Make sure you are logged into your account. You do not need any subscription because this method is completely free, but there is a limit to how many images you can generate. Start by clicking into the text box and type your prompt. You can type anything like, "Change this image to Ghibli art." After typing, look below the text box and you will see a plus icon. Click the plus icon. You will see options to connect your Google Drive or OneDrive account to OpenAI. This way, you can upload an image directly from cloud storage, or you can simply upload from your computer. Once you click Upload, a File Explorer window will open. Find and select the image you want to convert. This is the image I will use. After selecting, wait for the image to upload completely. When the upload is finished, press Send. ChatGPT will now start generating your Ghibli-style image. If you're on a phone, you need to keep the app open while it works. If you're on a computer, you can use other apps or browse while it is generating. The process can take a few minutes depending on your image. When it is done, you will see your Ghibli-style result. Click on the image to make it bigger. To save it, click the download button in the right corner. That is all you need to do to create a Ghibli-style image using ChatGPT.